Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aurélie Weiss-Guimet, and I am the CEO of Expert Trials. First of all, I would like to thank all AFC organizers for giving me the opportunity to present Expert Trials. Expert Trials is a clinical CRO dedicated to biotech and medtech startups. Starting a clinical trial process is always challenging for any small biotech or medtech. That's the reason why choosing the right partner to provide support throughout the trial is key to succeed. Small biotech are always under pressure to get CRO and vendor partnership right from the start, much more so than for big pharma. Why? Because they cannot afford missteps that cost them time and money. At Expert Trials, we have well understood the problems small biotech face when they entrust the clinical trial to a big CRO. What's the problem with big CROs? Big CROs do not provide the attention and support small biotech companies require. Firstly, big CRO see the clinical development of startups' innovative product as low priority compared to the ones of big pharma. They are just a drop in the bucket of their financial portfolio. Secondly, they use complex communication due to their complex organization, and they are not responsive enough to their need and very low in terms of making decisions. Thirdly, CEOs from small biotech are complaining about the level of experience of the big CRO staff. In short, they have junior profile with high staff turnover. At last and not the least, the cost of services of big CRO is very high due to staff overhead cost. So as a result, the cost of a big CRO is high, while the quality of the service they provide to small biotech companies is low. You've seen the challenges and the problems small biotech are facing. Let's now look at the solution. At Expert Trials, we set up a team of highly experienced clinical research professionals who will provide the attention and dedication small biotech needs for the clinical trial. With Expert Trials, a small biotech will have a high-touch relationship with professionals who have high expertise on the field and by using a cost-effective model. And above all else, we provide quality, flexibility, and problem-solving skills, which are essential to the success of a clinical study. I'm sure you are eager to know more about the history of Expert Trials since its inception and how we became a clinical CRO offering all services to small biotech. Just 2 words about myself. I have more than 14 years experience in clinical research. I started my career in the Global Medical Affairs Department at Sanofi. Then I held several positions in big and mid-sized CROs until I founded Expert Trials in 2011. Why did I decide to create Expert Trials? Because what I most enjoyed in my work was to be present at each stage of a clinical study, from the regulatory activities until the closeout of the sites. I wanted a systemic approach in service of the project in order to optimize innovation and flexibility with a high-touch relationship, which is very important to me. So from 2011, 80% of our customers were biotech and medtech startups. We manage phase 1 to 4 for their drugs and medical devices as consultants in France. Beginning of 2019, one of our American clients was looking for a European clinical CRO for their next coming phase 2 study. They were facing issues with their current CRO, which was one of the world top 5 CRO. So for us, it was a turning point. That's when we went full speed. So we set up a new business model made up with highly experienced professionals in all stages of clinical development. And Expert Trials became a full-service clinical CRO the same year. While our leadership team is based in Lyon, our operational team is comprised of consultants in Europe who are the key player to carry out international clinical trials from phase 2 to phase 4. As you can see on this slide, most of our consultants are based in Europe, as we are the European partner of non-European startups. Besides, we have partners based in the US, Canada, Australia, Japan, and Israel for European startups who would like to market their product outside of Europe. We have extensive experience in almost all therapeutic areas, with a predominance for oncology trials, specifically in immuno-oncology and hemato-oncology. Thanks to this expertise, we have a strong European investigators network, key opinion leader, and strong academic networks. On that slide, you can see all services we offer to biotech startups as a one-stop service boutique. So we offer clinical operations, quality assurance, regulatory affairs, pharmacovigilance and safety, medical monitoring, biometrics, market access, and pharmacoeconomics, and we are functional service provider. It means that our client can pick up and choose a service in case they have a specific need. We can act as a European legal representative for our customers who are not established in the European Union. So, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Remember, we started with the metaphor of the mountain. So now, let's explore through mountain climbing how we support small biotech during the entire life cycle of their innovative product. Important milestones for small biotech are the fundraising rounds, which appears at the end of each major phase of the clinical development. Then there are other important clinical milestones, such as clinical trial authorization, the interval between first patient in and last patient in, which is the recruitment period, and the interval between last patient in and last patient out, which is the follow-up period. So, how can we support small biotech? So, let's look at the start of the end of preclinical studies. More and more small biotech see their CTA files rejected by the health authorities due to a lack of preclinical data. The consequences are a huge waste of time. So we can avoid it thanks to a detailed review of the preclinical file by expert trials team before the start of the phase 1 study. If everything is in good shape, we start phase 1 activities. Just a quick note, at Expert Trials, we work on phase 1 studies, which involve patients directly and not healthy volunteers, as in the last case, they are conducted in specific phase 1 centers. There is an exception for vaccines trial, of course, by definition. So we provide support on the essential documents preparation, such as protocol, investigator's brochure, and IMPD. In parallel, we start the selection of the participating sites and key opinion leader according to our therapeutic area network. Then our regulatory affairs department starts the preparation of the clinical trial authorization application to the competent authority and ethics committee, and the negotiation of financial contract with the site. So once we get the clinical trial authorization, investigational sites can be initiated with an extensive training of all site staff on all study documents, tools, and procedures. It is at this point that the site may recruit their first patient in the study. Expert trials will ensure that the trial is conducted as per good clinical practices, local laws, and will report any protocol deviation to authorities thanks to monitoring activities. At the end of the trial, the whole team, from data manager to medical monitors, finalize the clinical study report. So thanks to our support, and of course, if the results of this phase 1 are positive, a phase 2 will be set up after the second round of fundraising. The steps are the same as for phase 1. The only difference for phase 2 study is the level of complexity, since this study is multicentric and multi-country trial. If this phase 2 is positive, the biotech will go for their third fundraising, and the phase 3 trial can begin. This is the highest level of complexity, as these trials are carried out in a large number of countries with hundreds of sites and thousands of patients. After this long journey, we have almost reached our goal. There is still one last step, which is the preparation of the common technical documents in order to submit the marketing authorization application to EMA. Once the marketing authorization is granted, Expert Trials is able to support the small biotech in the conduct of their phase 4 study or post-marketing studies. Throughout the study, patient safety is our priority, and any serious adverse events will be reported to authorities and investigators by our pharmacovigilance department. Our medical monitors provide an ongoing medical support with 24/7 emergency coverage. Data management and biostatistics are involved at all study milestones, from the start until clinical study reports, and by issuing data queries on a regular basis. Pharmacoeconomics and market access service starts from phase 2 until market launch. The aim is to successfully launch a product ensuring optimal price and reimbursement from the payer. I'm pleased to show you on this slide our business model. We simply could not exist without it. It is a light, flexible, and cost-efficient structure adapted to small biotech organization. This flat organization allows us to provide high responsiveness to our customer and to make decisions faster. The key player is the clinical research consultant in each participating country. There are three benefits from this model. Firstly, our clinical research consultants are very experienced staff who values the project and reduces staff turnover. Secondly, having only one person involved on two activities, so regulatory and clinical operation, reduces study training and increases the overall quality of the project. Thirdly, there is no need to open offices in each participating country, which reduces overhead costs. In this mountain climbing, we need to rely on efficient tools, just as this guide that you can see on the right. What do we use? We offer the complete solution in order to allow our client and the project team to access the data anywhere, anytime, and fully secure. As you may imagine, regulatory hurdles are a big challenge in clinical research. And at Expert Trials, we set up a quality management system which complies with the latest Good Clinical Practices, Revision 2, and the applied standards for drugs and medical devices. So I am very proud and happy to introduce you to our guides, the ones who are there at each step to support innovative product development of our client. Expert Trials is a team of highly experienced clinical research professionals comprised of physicians, pharmacists, PhD and master's degree in sciences. So, to conclude, it's helpful to have all the bells and whistles the new technologies can bring to a clinical trial, but we know that startups also need a high-touch relationship with their CRO, and it's much more than a partnership. We launch their innovative treatment all together. So thank you very much.